Ever wondered why black pepper makes you sneeze? The answer is spicier than you think. You're shaking black pepper onto your food, and suddenly a chew. But why does this happen? It's all because of a compound called piperine, the active ingredient that gives black pepper its spicy kick. Piperine irritates your nasal lining, triggering a reflex that makes you sneeze to clear it out. Piperine doesn't just make you sneeze, it can also help enhance nutrient absorption in your body. Did you know this? Drop a sneezing face emoji in the comments if pepper makes you sneeze. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more spicy food facts.